Here we have the jejunum and ileum. This is the jejunum and this is a piece of ileum. How to differentiate jejunum from that of ileum? If you touch the jejunum, you handle the jejunum, feel it. It has thicker wall. When you touch the jejunum, it feels thick, whereas the ileum feels very thin. It is thin walled. Then if you open the jejunum, you will find lot of circular folds, and these are called plicae circularis or valves of Kerckering. These are the permanent mucosal folds, and they slow down the passage of the food and allow the digestion and absorption of the food. So they are more in number, densely arranged in the jejunum. Whereas in the ileum, if you open the ileum and see, the circular folds are very few, and that is what makes it feel thinner compared to the jejunum.